This demonstration has been provided as part of the Digital Sales webinar series from InterTrade Ireland. If you have not yet watched the webinar on growing customer lifetime value with email marketing, please do so before proceeding to watch this demonstration. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. So, first of our additional videos on doing things in MailChimp. This one is about setting up an automated journey. So we covered this obviously in the webinar. Hopefully you were there. So it's really, really easy to set up an automated journey. And just as a reminder, an automated journey can be things like setting up an automation for whenever someone completes a form on your website. Maybe you want to give them a discount code after they've done that when they've signed up for your newsletter, or maybe you just want to, send them a download or something like that, but you don't want to do that manually every time someone does that. So, or fills in a form. So an automation is a great way to set that up so that it's not a manual process for yourself. So really easy to set them up. So just log into MailChimp. You can see the panel on the left, we've got automations. If you just click on automations, it will take you through to this page here. There's a couple of things that you can do. You can build from scratch, or you can choose a pre-built journey. So there's loads of different pre-built journeys that MailChimp has set up. And it's just kind of a matter of putting in the information. I find that sometimes some of the pre-built journeys can have a lot of additional steps in them that you don't really need. And I find that sometimes the best automations are nearly the most simple. And really for today's purposes, I'll just show you like a simple one and how you can do that yourself. So if you click build from scratch, and then obviously give it a name. So we'll say for this example today, we are going to be welcoming new people whenever they sign up via our website. We're going to send them an email saying, thanks for signing up. Here's your discount code. So say this would work for like an e-commerce website. So you can call that welcome new contacts, or you can call that whatever you want. This is just for your own purposes. And then obviously choose which list you want these people to go into. So probably just your main master list. Okay, so your first thing is your starting point. So if we click choose a starting point, so we want this to be, whenever someone signs up, okay? But you can see there's loads of starting points there, like, whenever they've been sent an email, or whenever a tag has been added into that person, there's loads there that you can scroll through as well. So it is worth taking some time to familiarize yourself with all the different starting points that there are. But really, for today, we'll just do signs up. So this box includes, so if you've already got a list and you've already imported it into MailChimp, you can tick this box to say, right, well, everybody in my database that I've already imported, I want them to go on the journey. You maybe want to do that, or maybe you don't. It's up to yourself and your own business needs. I'll not tick that for now. Click save starting point. So someone has signed up to our list on our website. So then we need to add our first journey point. So that is going to be when someone signs up, they're going to get an email. Okay. And again, there's loads of triggers there, that you can see, like there's loads of rules. Now for some of these, you will have to upgrade, like if you want to have like if else branching. So, and again, this is when things can start to get a little bit more complicated, but if someone has done this action, or if they haven't, you can split things up, or you can do a percentage split. You can have a time delay, there's loads of different things here. So again, it is worth familiarizing yourself with all of these different journey points. And then you can I always find it quite helpful to like whiteboard out my journey. If it's going to be a little bit more complicated, write it out in all the different points and trying to make sure you're covering absolutely everything. But again, for today, we're keeping it simple. So when someone signs up for our master list, they're going to get an email. Okay, and it's as easy as that. This little email pop-up that appears is very, very simple, and it's just the one that we're really familiar with whenever we are building emails. So the to and from, just making sure obviously it'll go to their email address, making sure you're happy with the name and the email address. Subject, for some reason that says email contacts. It always does that in MailChimp. I don't know why, but you can say like, thanks for signing up, take 10%. And then again, the preview text, sometimes it'll fill it in for you, which is great. You can set this schedule up. So which day should your email send? So like for the likes of an e-commerce website, you would want this to go all the time. You wouldn't want to have any downtime from this. But maybe if you're in B2B, maybe you would say, oh no, I only want my automations to go on a Monday to Friday from 9 to, you know, certain times. For e-commerce, we would just set this all the time. And then you can select a builder. So if you want to use the classic builder or the new builder, it's up to yourself. I always use the classic builder. It's less buggy. And then of course, it's just about creating your email. Okay, so you can just choose any one of these templates. If you're going to code your own or use like one that you've saved previously, it's all in there. And again, you would just go through exactly the same as before, do the drag and drop, making sure you're happy with the email and everything. If it is a case that, you know, people are being promised a code, you know, if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll get 10% off code emailed to you. You need to make sure that you put the code in the email. Okay, so you need to make sure that you've got like, thanks for signing up. Here's your code, newbie10 or whatever it may be. Once you're totally happy with your email and you've input all the information in there that you want, it's just a matter of clicking up here at the right, save and return to journey. And it just takes a little minute. And then, you know, we can see the journey, the little map is here. So in our package, and in most packages, I think it's the essentials package, you have up to 4 journey points. So I could add like another 2 emails here, or I could add like, you know, obviously if you wouldn't want to add an email and then another email, because that person will get an email and then another email straight away. And we don't want that. You would want to add like a time delay in there. So again, if you wanted to add a journey point, you know, you could add a time delay, you know, wait 1 week or 1 day or 1 hour or whatever it may be. And then you could add another journey point of like another email or something like that. So you can set and go through, you know, you can set up like a series of emails, and you can see now I've got 0 or 4 journey points left. So you can see in this instance, the customer would sign up on the website. They would get an email straight away to say, thanks for signing up. Here's your discount code. There would be a delay of a week, and then they would get another email. Okay. That's probably something I probably wouldn't do, because, you know, say, for example, there could be something they do after this email, like maybe they complete a purchase and then you would want to send them a different email versus someone who didn't complete a purchase. But it's just to show you the different things that you can do. So we would delete that. Delete that. So yeah, so now we've got a very basic journey set up. They've signed up, they get an email, and then the contact exits that journey, and that's fine. So once you're happy with that, you know, if you click on the 3 little lines there, you can send a test email to yourself, making sure you're happy with the email. You would just click continue. Obviously the journey's not ready to send, but up here at the top, I think it says continue or start journey or something like that. And that is how easy it is to get an automated journey set up.
This demonstration has been provided as part of InterTrade Ireland's Digital Sales Webinar series. For further information on support programs and future webinars, please visit www.intertradeireland.com. Thank you.